welcome back to the channel. You know what it is, another day, another vlog. Today we're going to the beach. It is 30 degrees out here and it's quite warm, though I'm just gonna have a fun day out there and just chill, you know, check out the waves and things, and yeah, cruisy sunny day. I've got little Island here with us and he's just chilling. He just woke up, so he's just chilling like a villain. And that's little Island. So yeah, guys, come and join us. You know, it's a vibe today. Big ups. So guys, here we have some really dried out sugar cane. I'm not too sure if they're any good to eat, but babe, you would know what's what. And yeah, I think you can just come here and pick whatever you want. Obviously just making sure no one sees us doing it. So yeah, guys, on the way to the beach, we've got so many sugar cane farms around here. Vibe, guys, and it's really amazing to be able to come out here and vlog this all for you guys. So yeah, just fields full of sugar cane. There is a sugar cane factory, obviously they do sugar. Yeah, so guys, that's it. That's what it is, and I'm ready to go to the beach and have a good time, enjoy ourselves. Out to the shops to get some ice and some snacks. Oh, these mangoes look good. I wonder what they're like. Produced in Australia. Maybe I can grab one of these. They're good. Mangoes. Not bad. I might grab one actually. See what they're about. Heaps of stuff, guys. I need to get ice and some snacks, maybe like some chips and that. I'm not very big on chips, but I'm just going to grab like something to snack on if I feel like something to eat. 2 packets full. I'm not too sure. Maybe Doritos? No, I'm not a big fan of Doritos. Alright, Doritos, and then maybe salsa as well. Medium. We'll go mild. Okay. Straight past it. Do you sell ice?
Yeah, you got those.
Can I just grab a bag?
Yeah.
Are they all in different sizes or one size?
Just one size.
Just one size. Okay, yeah, I'll just grab it one.
Like a bag?
Yes, please. Got one hand.
$12.55. Yes, please. Thank you.
Awesome, thank you. Bye. You too. So guys, there you have it. You can get some hot food if you want. Grabbing a bag of oysters. Vibe guys. Alright, let's go. Hey guys, we're here. Island boy. We're here guys at the beach. Beautiful outlook here. We came to this beach before, went to do the gender reveal. Though I was heavily pregnant and I couldn't walk up the stairs. So now I can, and we've got a beautiful view out here. Isn't that pretty, Island? Isn't that pretty, boy? So looks like a beautiful day out there. I'd love to walk right to the end there, that peaky area would be nice. So we're gonna go for a nice walk around there. So guys, it's a vibe. Join us. Join me and Island boy. On the walk down. So we're gonna have just a beautiful day at the beach with Island. Yeah. Island, say hi. Hi. Hi everybody. We're chilling. He's got his cozy on. So yeah. Yeah, he enjoys it. He's gonna enjoy this, I think. I think he's made for the water, this boy. He loves his bath times and things. So as we are approaching summer, we have snakes we got to look out for. Sharks and snakes. So that's interesting. It's Australian life for you. Australia's wildlife, I guess. But yeah. Guys. So we're here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely divine. Nice day, Island. Hi, Island. Yes. Can't wait for Dad to be here so that we can enjoy this together and Yes, it's gonna be a vibe. For real. Anyways guys, yeah, so like I said, we got to just be careful of snakes and sharks in the water. But I just went to the water with Island and it's cold as anything, so we are going to just chill here in the sand for a bit, give him something to eat, and we'll be sweet. Peace guys. Oh Papa, you look so uncomfortable there. Okay, so yeah, we just went to the water and touched the water, but it's a bit cold still. It's a bit too cold for Island to be swimming still, so we're just gonna chill here on the sand, and it's a vibe. Hey Papa boy, hey, you like it? You enjoy? Yeah, I know Mom. Little Island here just chilling. So guys, cheers to the weekend. Island boy's fallen asleep. As you see, he's had food and he's all set for the day. He touched the water with his feet, but he didn't get in anymore else because you know, it's a bit cold still. So without further ado, I did mention when I was at the shops that I was going to try a mango. So my battery is running a bit low on this GoPro, so I'm going to try this mango now guys, and hopefully it tastes as good as the ones in Jamaica. Alright.
Beautiful guys. But once again, not the same as the Jamaican mangoes, obviously.
Oh, that is so pretty. So there you have it guys. This is a lighthouse. What is it? Lighthouse or satellite thing? I'm not sure. But what a pretty view. Definitely nice. And there's a little park here. You can have a barbecue with your family. Hello. Oh wow, this is so pretty. Oh, I know where to come. This is really nice, guys. Might not tell you all from the camera, but definitely in real life it's beautiful. There's like a viewing from a distance. You pay $2 to view it. There you have it guys. It's an overview of Evans Head. And this is where I usually come, but there is so many more other beaches to see around here, which we'll all get to soon. Guys, this is basically where people come to fish. It's not the only place, but there's plenty around. But it's probably the most common, most popular place, I think. You can fish off any of these rocks here. Big rocks. I reckon it would be a beautiful day for fishing, let me tell you. For real. So the battery is running very low, guys, so I'm just letting you know that it's been a fun day. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below if you want to see more. Hopefully soon Babe will be with us, so Tyrone will be with us, and it's going to be a vibe. Yeah, for real. We can do all this together. So thanks guys for tuning in. I'd go up to the peak end, but just know that yeah, you can fish anywhere around here. Nice channel. Sometimes you'll find crabs here, and I'm talking really big ones as well. So guys, that's it for today, but thank you so much for tuning in. Bless up, have a beautiful day, and take it easy.